Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings to all of us. My name is Rismawati and I'm from Sari Mulia University. I would like to take this opportunity to talk about one of the most important issues that we are facing currently, namely climate change and its impact on our life. As we know, climate change is a condition that occurs due to excessive human activity in producing greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and other. This condition results in increasing temperatures on Earth, which can lead to natural disaster, the rising sea levels, and more. Let's look some statistics about the climate change before moving on. The IPCC, or Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, reports that from pre-industrial time, the average global temperature has risen by around 1 degree Celsius, and the same report also said that there will be extremely negative effect on both human life and the environment. If the global temperature rise by more than 1.5 degrees Celsius, and by the end of the century, the global temperature might rise by about 3 degrees Celsius if current trends hold. According to the UN report, we have less than a decade to take concrete action to reduce greenhouse gases emissions and strengthen resilience to the impact of the climate change. And if we fail in this regard, then we will face natural disasters that are becoming more than frequent and threatening our life in the future. The effect of the climate change can be observed in Indonesia. Right? Indonesia toward rising temperatures and extreme weather, even like flood, drought, and rising sea levels. And Indonesia is a nation that is extremely vulnerable to climate change, according to the IPCC study. And according to the information of from the Ministry of Environment and Forestry, climate change might have an impact on 24 million hectares of land in Indonesia. And according to data from the National Disaster Management Agency, or BNPB, Indonesia witnessed 2,149 natural disasters from early 2020 to mid-2021, which led to 743 fatalities and 2,714 for injuries and more than 1 million individual displaced. These impacts are of course very detrimental to all of us. However, there is a hope that we can even prevent even worse to climate change. This can be achieved the Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, which are a set global goals to protect our planet and ensure that all people have equal opportunity for a healthy and prosperous life. The SDG 13 is a specific global goals related to climate, namely urgent action to address the climate change and its impact. There are several ways that we can do to achieving this goal. For example, promoting renewable energy, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and strengthen environmental protection policies. Therefore, unfortunately, there are some organizations and companies that are not to prioritize to action combat the climate change. Case in point, the oil and gas company that continue to explore the fossil resources and dump their waste into the environment. This impact set of actions would be highly damaging our planet and the environment. Therefore, the solution to overcome this problem is innovation in renewable energy technology, such as solar and wind power, and strengthening environmental regulation to stop industry that damaging to the environment. Each of us can take small actions in our daily life to reducing this impact, such as reducing private vehicle, utilizing renewable energy, and buying environmentally friendly products. We all have a responsibility to protect and tackle climate change. Let's work together to achieve SDGs and create a better world for future generations. Thank you for your attention.